In the vast wilderness of the triathlete's natural habitat, we find ourselves observing a truly unique and fascinating species, the triathlete in the wild. Behold, the water-dwelling triathlete, navigating the open waters with the grace of a dolphin and the determination of a beaver building a dam. Now, as our triathlete transitions to the cycling leg, notice the aerodynamic helmet, sleek spandex suit, and the bicycle that costs more than your monthly mortgage payment. Truly a magnificent creature on wheels.